Hello, hello, hello.
Jambo.
Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili or Nighttime Swahili with
Fresh
and Fresh Mommy. Alright, in this episode we are going to continue learning the connecting pronouns. We are going to continue learning the connecting pronouns. Like we said, we have a challenge where we are trying to speak more sentences.
It's like we don't know any English at all.
Right, we are pretending that we don't know any English. Okay. So we are pretending that we don't know any English.
We have to speak Swahili every single minute.
How are we doing? We started out like this, right? And we are getting better every day. We speak more and more words, correct? No, Rudisha, you me back. Alright, so we every day we continue to speak more and more English sentences, and we are using these connecting words to help us make sentences, because again you repeat most of the stuff that you say all the time. Alright, so is it hard to form Swahili sentences?
Not really. Yes or no?
Yes and no, right? It depends on what it is, right? But is it easier for you guys to hear when I'm talking to you in Swahili?
I think yes.
Sometimes, right? As usual, it depends on what is it. What does hauchezi mean?
You're not playing.
Good job. Right? So you're using this to help you form the sentences about what's going on. So we are gonna continue learning. I think the last time we did, what did we do? We did Nina, Una, and then Anna, if I'm not wrong. So we are gonna
Nina, Una, Kahuna, Laguna.
Right, wouldn't that be fun, especially right now? So we are gonna do the you are, and then we're gonna repeat, I think, he or she again, just to help us. Again, we gotta continue repeating, learning the same things, because that's what's going to help us. So yeah, like in okay, all right, moja. All right, so let's go. All right, so we have a deal with the boys. Depending on how well we do in the video, everybody gets some backs, right? So maybe the people who are watching will help me determine whether we should get a back or not.
No,
what do you guys think? You think you're getting a back?
I think we're getting one back.
A back or two?
No, I'm getting 500 back.
Yeah? All right, awesome. So okay, let's form some sentences. Again, we are trying to form sentences to say like you guys are doing something, right? Like what action word can we use? I like using like eating, watching TV, playing, the usual ones, right? The things that we do all the time. So if you are trying to say you are playing for multiple people, how would you say it?
Wait, what?
You are playing. We are talking about multiple people.
Mticheza. Mnacheza.
Which means what?
You are playing multiple people. You are playing.
What about
Mtacheza.
That's good. But what if you are saying that you will play?
Mtacheza.
Good job. What about you played? Mlicheza. Good job. What about you have played? Mmecheza. All right. And what about if you? I think Andrew started saying the opposite. Like if you
Hamtacheza.
Right? Hamchezi or something like that. Hamtacheza or hamchezi. And then what about you did not play? You did. Sit up for me. How about you did not play?
Hamkucheza.
Hamkucheza. Very good job.
What?
Hamkucheza.
Oh, you did not. I thought you said you were not.
Right.
Hamkucheza.
What are the chances you can scooch over this way? All right. What about
Hamtacheza.
you have not played.
Hamtacheza.
Good job. What about you will not play? Hamtacheza. Beautiful. What about you? No, that one is different. That one is different. It's not for like an activity.
You
all right,
do not
beautiful.
have playtime.
Beautiful. That's a good
You
one.
do not have playtime.
Yeah, like you do not have playtime. You would say hamna wakati wa kucheza, something like that. Beautiful. All right. Now, what about he or she? Again, we may have covered it in the last
Anacheza.
He or she. Let's say eating.
Alicheza.
Let's say eating.
Anakula.
So he or she is eating is
Anakula.
anakula. What about he or she will eat?
Atakula.
Good job. Good job. What about he or she
Alikula.
ate?
Alikula.
Very good.
Alikula.
What about he or she has eaten? Good job. Good job. Now,
Akakula.
no. That's different. That's different. We that one is like for objects.
He or she has food.
Akona chakula. Very good. I like how you're able to put this together. So if he or she has food, you say akona chakula. All right. Good job. Now, let's do. We are doing something. Let's say we are watching TV. Tunatazama runinga. Good job. What about we will watch TV after this?
Tutatazama runinga, not tutacheza runinga.
I didn't say that.
You said cheza.
Okay,
No,
so how do you say we will watch TV?
Tutacheza.
Good job.
Tutatazama runinga.
That's true.
Now he got me confused.
I did good job. Even I forgot what we were doing. So our activity is watching TV. What about we watched TV?
Tulicheza.
Oh goodness. Alright, so the activities we watched TV. We watched TV. Pole. Eh?
Tulitazama runinga.
Tulitazama runinga. Good job. What about we have watched TV?
Tumetazama runinga.
All right, good job. What about let's make our activity now drinking. Okay? And what are we gonna drink? What are we gonna drink?
Wanakunywa grape kunywa.
What?
Wanakunywa
Oh,
grape kunywa.
he's grape juice.
Grape kunya?
Juicy.
All right, how about just juice? Okay? Juice. All right, so they are drinking juice. How would you say they are drinking juice?
Wanakunywa.
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 I don't even got a chance to say it.
Go ahead.
Wanakunywa.
Juicy. Good job. All right. What about they will drink juice?
Watakunywa juicy.
Good job. What about they drank juice?
Walikunywa juicy.
Beautiful. What about they have drunk juice?
Wamekunywa juicy.
Beautiful. All right. So we are gonna
Wakunywa juicy.
stop there.
They have not drunk.
You wanna do the opposite?
No. Wait. Oh yeah.
Yeah, the opposite. So they are not. So they are not drinking juice. How would you say they are not drinking juice?
Hawakunywi
juicy.
Good job.
How come?
I like how you were able to even remember to convert it to kunywi.
How come from this is the other way has to do something with
The opposite, exactly. This is opposite. This is like doing something.
Or whatever the thing is.
So, what about they will not drink juice? How would you say they will not drink juice?
Hawata juicy. Oh, hawata kunywi juicy.
Kunywa.
Oh, we're just.
This is the I is only for the first line. All right. So hawata kunywa.
What is that? No. What is that? Though?
They will not drink juice.
I will not drink juice.
Okay. What about they did not drink juice?
Hawaku kunywa juicy.
Good job. What about they have not drunk juice?
Hawaja kunywa juicy.
Beautiful. And I think we didn't do the opposite of we will. So did we do the opposite?
No.
And what was the activity? Watching TV. All right. We are not going to watch TV.
Hatucheza.
Hatutazami
Runinga.
runinga. Good job. What about?
I didn't want to mess up.
We will not watch TV.
Yeah, I was about to say that. Hatuta tazama runinga.
Beautiful. Fresh Pro 8. Try this one. We did not watch TV.
Hatuku
Give
Oh, I thought you said Fresh Pro 3.
I think.
31.
Okay, your turn. We did not watch TV. Continue.
Hatuku.
Beautiful. And what about we have not watched TV?
Hatuja.
Good job. Beautiful. Awesome.
Hatuna runinga.
That means
Pizza Steve.
you guys, you're awesome.
I thought it meant Pizza Steve. I thought it meant Pizza Steve.
Huh?
I thought it was Pizza Steve.
What is that? Alright, good job. So we have to continue
What is
this.
Pizza Steve?
So connecting pronouns and prefix words will help us form sentences. So we have to keep practicing. Okay, can I wrap the video up? Okay. That way we can go to Tazame Runinga. Who wants to go Tazama Runinga?
Me. I'm
Who
gonna
wants to go
No,
Tazama?
mimi unakula pizza.
Nina.
Nina
kula pizza.
Who keeps messing you up?
Nina kula pizza.
Nataka kukula pizza
Next week. So,
Next-
kula pizza.
Sawa.
What does that mean again?
Okay.
But we had McDonald's. We already had McDonald's.
Say tulikula.
Tulikula McDonald's.
Good job. Good. Anyways, let's wrap this up. Thank you guys. Kaa tafadhali.
Okay.
Again, our challenge this month is to do as many Swahili sentences as possible.
And tell your parents you're gonna reward.
And you get a reward if you're doing a very, very good job. And these guys are doing an amazing job. We can
And make sure
celebrate.
when you have a difficulty trying to pronounce the word or like trying to have the verb sentence, use the book.
Awesome.
You have the book.
Awesome. Alright, asanteni sana. We gotta keep practicing. Practice makes better. Kwaheri.
The practice pays off, guys.
It does. Kwaherini. Asante sana.
Fresh Pro 31 out. Fresh Pro 8 out.
Asante. Kwaheri.